Building a keyword strategy with cluster maps is one of the most effective ways to organize and prioritize keywords for your SEO campaigns. If you're looking for a simple, quick way to understand how to implement a keyword strategy using cluster maps, you're in the right place. Stick around till the end because I'll show you how to get an exclusive free trial of my recommended software so you can follow along and start creating your keyword strategy today. Now, let's dive into the process. To start, a keyword cluster map is a visual representation of related keywords organized into groups based on intent and relevance. You want to think of it like a mind map for SEO. Each main keyword you want to rank for will have a group of related keywords beneath it, often referred to as supporting keywords. These supporting keywords are more specific and help to target long-tail searches. The first step is identifying your primary keyword or main topic. This is the keyword that represents the core of what your content is about. For example, if you're running a website about fitness, your main keyword might be home workouts. You can use tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs to find the right primary keyword. But for today's tutorial, let's go with something simple: home workouts. Next, you'll want to identify related keywords. These will be your supporting keywords and can range from variations of your main keyword to more specific long-tail keywords. For home workouts, you might have supporting keywords like best home workouts for beginners, no equipment home workouts, or home workout routines for weight loss. Once you've gathered your keywords, it's time to organize them into clusters. This is where the magic of cluster mapping happens. You'll visually group your keywords around your main topic in a way that shows how they all connect. There are a few ways to do this manually, but using a keyword clustering tool is much faster. Tools like SEMrush, Moz, and my recommended software, linked in the description below, make it super easy to map out these clusters. You can drag and drop keywords into their appropriate clusters and see the relationships at a glance. As you create your cluster map, you'll notice some important patterns. Some supporting keywords are very close in meaning to your main keyword, while others might represent a different intent. For example, home workouts for beginners might be a broader search intent, while home workout routines for weight loss could target someone with a more specific goal. These distinctions are crucial for organizing your content strategy. Once your keyword clusters are in place, it's time to plan your content around these groups. For each cluster, you should create pillar content that addresses the main keyword and sub-content targeting each supporting keyword. This helps to build relevance and authority around your topic, which Google loves. For example, for the home workouts cluster, you might create a pillar post that explains various types of home workouts, and then for each supporting keyword, create dedicated pages or blog posts. These subpages should link back to the pillar content, reinforcing the overall theme. Finally, track your progress by measuring keyword performance. Tools like Google Analytics and Search Console are essential for monitoring how your keywords are ranking and if your cluster strategy is working. Key takeaway: building a keyword strategy with cluster maps isn't just about organizing keywords, it's about structuring your content so that it can rank better by targeting both broad and long-tail searches. Cluster mapping helps you create a strategic plan to drive traffic by covering all angles of your topic from general to specific. To quickly recap, the steps are: identify your main keyword, gather supporting keywords, organize them into clusters, create content for each cluster, and track performance. And don't forget, if you want to follow along with me, I've got an exclusive free trial of my recommended keyword clustering software in the description below. Take advantage of that to start building your own keyword strategy today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.